Uber X and Bolt 8K monthly challenge. Assalamu alaikum, marhaba, welcome, salute, khush amdeed, pakhair. Let's dive into day 8 Uber X 8K challenge. The expense for day 8 Monday, it's £10 insurance, £18 car rental, £3 the phone bill. Guys, let me know how was your expense for the Monday day 8. So guys, I took off on my day 8 Monday, but let me know in the comment box how was your Monday. Did you make a good money or it was just as usual? As you know, my day 8 was off, but I had to pay the expense, £31 expense. So guys, if you are working as a cab driver, remember, if you took a day off, still you need to pay the basic expense. So it's not easy work. You have to work very hard and put at least 12 hours a day to make a living. Let me know your Monday. How was it for you? How was the work for you guys? Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye now. Guys, I have an incredible giveaway for you. When I reach 50k subscriber on my YouTube channel, I will be giving away 5-day all-inclusive holiday to Morocco or Dubai. So why are you waiting? Subscribe the channel and you could be the winner.